In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Binance Wallet to your CoinMarketCap portfolio in 2020. This process allows you to seamlessly track your cryptocurrency investments all in one place, making managing your assets more efficient and straightforward. So let's dive in and get started. First, make your way over to CoinMarketCap.com using your favorite web browser. CoinMarketCap is a fantastic resource for tracking cryptocurrency market caps, prices, and statistics, and it's going to be the hub where we organize our portfolio. Once you're on their homepage, look towards the top of the page and locate the menu. Clicking on this menu is your next step. The menu is your gateway to exploring various features on CoinMarketCap, and it's essential for navigating to your portfolio management screen. Now, from the menu options provided, go ahead and click on the Portfolio section. This is where you'll manage your cryptocurrency investments and keep an eye on how your assets are performing. The Portfolio page is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your investments, allowing you to track your gains, losses, and overall market performance in real time. Next, within the Portfolio page, look for the option that says Connect Binance Account. By selecting this, you'll initiate the connection between CoinMarketCap and your Binance wallet, making it possible to import and sync your Binance investments directly into your CoinMarketCap portfolio. This feature is incredibly useful for those who use Binance as their primary trading platform, as it reduces the need for manual data entry and enhances accuracy. After clicking the Connect option, you'll see a prompt to Continue with Binance. By selecting this, you begin the authorization process, which is crucial to allowing CoinMarketCap to access and display your Binance data securely. Make sure you're comfortable with the terms and ensure that you're using the official Binance and CoinMarketCap websites to avoid any security risks. Finally, you'll reach the confirmation step. Here, you need to click on Confirm to complete the connection. This step is important as it verifies the authorization, allowing your CoinMarketCap portfolio to start importing data from your Binance wallet. Once confirmed, your Binance assets will be displayed within your CoinMarketCap portfolio, providing you a comprehensive view of your investments without any hassle. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Binance wallet to your CoinMarketCap portfolio. This integration should save you time and help you make more informed decisions about your crypto investments. Remember, staying informed and organized are key components in navigating the world of cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!